We just ordered the 2-pack of the Brother 760, and these are high-yield toner cartridges. It can make up to 3,000 prints. It's awesome. So let me show you how easy it is to change the cartridge. This is how it looks, and we're gonna take it out of this bag. Now that we took it out of the bag, we're gonna pull this off, just like this. And now we're going to take off the old one and replace it with this new one. Once you hear it snap, you know it's good to go. Then they also want you always to redo this drum unit line. All you have to do is go back and forth to clean it. Just like that. And now you're good to go. You can just put this into your Brother laser printer. The reason why we like the Brother toner cartridges is because the print quality is so nice and clean and solid too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Happy printing!